Menteri Rangba Kajala Meghalaya Konrad Kisangma haka sautare unai tung araja arpusa ulalai ban Jurip hakikat tu kat ni gibenta ka rilum Garo kibla syakta bat syak penjat haka Jingshlei ba ka jingtua khandau kabla ja hakini gisngi baladam ki Jaka ki blasak tak jor na gajing penjat kamar yang namar slap ba ublan lam sa gajing tua khandau gajing jot ki surak khamtam ki badai ki national highway ki long katikri kila Cibinang Pulbari Rajabala Halideganj Bat Mahendraganj bat ki waipat ki benta gajing penjat da ki bor mar yang mentau senam arja arpusau kala kata sibon ye ki patba bat dan na preng jengki ki bladu ru ki yeng ki Jaka puta bat dan ru ki long yeng ki bladu no ye ki yet bathon jengki Gupta kani ke Jingshlei jungo Menteri Rangba kalong men pen ba ka sarkar kan hap ban simkhia lor kani ke jisakta bat ka sarkar hi kan hap ban wat lat kumno ban ai jingeda ya ki nong song snong lada kini ki jingja kin wan Lynshop ha kanu kapor
They can all be distributing in different lines. That way it's fine. We have come here towards the plain belt area of Garo Hills, mainly in Shilkata area, Namabela, Haripur, and all across. As we know that there's a lot of flood right now, and water levels are almost over 5 to 6 feet up above normal. And as per the estimates that I have received, close to about 30,000 families have been affected in the whole belt out here. So we are right now in the Shilkata region. We have seen, as you can also see visually, that's quite a bad situation, and the administration has very quickly moved into action. I must appreciate that and mention it. And they have provided general relief to the citizens who are affected and the houses affected. They have also provided shelter and safety, and there has been no loss of life till now. So all the citizens have been evacuated and put into shelter homes in safe places. And we will wait and see how things go. And wherever there is any kind of danger or any kind of situation where we find that anybody could be affected, we are on alert, and we'll ensure that the individuals are shifted out quickly from there and brought into safety. So we'll continue to monitor the situation. But as I said, this is a natural calamity, and as I said, all the support required from the government and from the administration is being provided to the affected families.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya